Click on the notes. Let's take a look at the notes real quick. All right. Well, there's nothing there.
I
Go.
have the
You
copy of it.
can go back. Close that. Go back. All right. Click on the Crucible calendar, please. All right. So what do you see here? So this is day 1, day 2, day 3, day 4, week 6.
Yeah, it's 6, 7, 8, 9, 10.
So it looks like you've got a presentation due on day 4. Does that look right?
Yeah.
All right. Now, is this in your groups? Is this a group project?
Right, the group project? No.
Okay. All right. Well, it says down there a slide research presentation on an assigned topic in your group. So no?
It's groups.
Yeah, it should be group.
Oh, wait a minute. Yeah, I think we should do the I think we're no,
Are you
I
in
picked
are
my
you
own thing. I
are you in a
picked
group?
what?
Why are you in a group?
I'm with the group. I'm with the group, but we picked different topics. So yeah.
Didn't you guys pick the same topic if you're in a group?
No, we picked different topics. They picked one of them picked Salem witch trials, the other than picked other things like that.
What topic did you pick?
Um, the topic I did pick is Austin. What? No. Arthur Miller.
Okay, what do you know about Arthur Miller?
Well, I have to work on that.
Shouldn't you pick something you already know about?
Well, we have to pick the one that we need to learn about. I picked that one so I can be able to learn more about him. To learn, well, who is he?
Okay. All right. Okay. Um, all right. Go back to close this, please. Go back one more time. Click on the Crucible background research, please. Completed graphic organizer. Okay. All right, we'll definitely work on this tomorrow. So, all right, good to know. I need you by tomorrow though to have a topic. I mean, I don't really know what you're supposed to write on. Do
Well, I
you?
know what to write on Austin Miller. That's what I picked.
Well, that's a person. That's quite a bit. Like, well, and we need more than that. You need more information than that. That's not enough. So please, 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 because we're gonna have a problem tomorrow if I don't know what it's about, or we'll have to watch the video again, which is okay.
But I'm saying
Right.
that we just pick a topic.
Okay, but a topic is not a person. A topic is more specific.
Well, we should know about Austin Miller because Austin Miller, I'm gonna write about him.
Okay. All right. So you sent over a math assignment for us to look at tonight. Do you know if you're allowed to use a calculator for it?
Yes.
Do you have a TI 8384 calculator?
Yes, I have it.
You have a TI 8384 calculator. Okay. Are you allowed to use the calculator to do all the calculations?
Um, well, yeah. I
Are
also
you
sent you
sure?
the notes. I also sent you a note on the board.
Okay. This is important, Sourish. It's because I'm trying to know how to best help you. So
Well, you should
do
use
you
calculators
are
whenever you're solving the data for the median and means.
That's what I'm asking. Are you allowed to use your calculator?
Yes.
Okay. All right. Okay, so let's start with question number 2. What
Hmm.
does the then create what does it say there? Then create what? What does it say at the top of the page?
On
Find the
top of
mean, median, mode, and range for each data set, then create. What does that say?
It's a, you mean you're talking about the paper?
Yes.
Okay. Yeah. So it says so you said again then find a median, mode, and range for each data set and create a dot plot.
Okay. Very good. All right. So you got your calculator out?
Hmm.
Do you have your calculator out?
I can also use it in the computer.
You don't have the computer on your test or quiz. Do you have your calculator?
Okay. Well, I was thinking that I can use it for in the computer, but I'm getting it out.
Okay.
Okay. Got it out. Got it out.
Okay. Let's get started here. So here is the data set. Do you know how to enter this data into your calculator?
Yeah, you just go to the list.
Yes. So you have to enter this data into,
Okay, let me just charge the computer first.
is your calculator charged?
No, yes, it's fully charged. I'm saying computer. I have to charge my computer.
Okay. All right. Well, I'm going to get my calculator out here and share that, and we'll look at this together. Let me know when you're ready to enter this into the list.
Mm-hmm. All right, I'm in there.
All right. So you go to stat, edit, and then is your list empty or do you have data in there from before?
There's the data in there from before.
So to clear out data, like notice, let me just put two data values
You
down.
press delete.
Well, that's the slow way to do it. If you go up to L1 and hit clear, clear, and then hit enter, it will remove all of them.
Oh, okay. I did. I
That's
did. Okay. All right, I did it. Matthew?
Yep. So go ahead and enter that data in there. Let me know when you get all that data entered in. Although it looks like I missed a data point. Oh no, there's 15. That's right. Okay.
Okay, got it in there.
You got all your data in there, right?
Yeah.
Okay. So um the first thing is to hit second quit. All right. Then you go to stat, calc, one variable stats. Stat,
Okay.
calc, one
Okay.
variable
But first of
stats.
all, hold on. I need to hold on a minute.
I'm gonna be right back with you, Sourish.
Okay, I'm done. There we go. Now I press. So what? So I press. Like, do I have to press stat? I'm back.
All right, do you have a question?
Yeah, I got it in there. So whenever I enter numbers, I press stat.
Do you have all the data already entered?
Yeah, so now what?
Stat, yeah, stat, and then go over to calc there.
Okay, I did that. Okay,
No,
now what?
hit hit one variable stats. Now yours might have a different screen. Go down to just paste or whatever.
Paste, paste, paste. Where's paste?
I don't know what you see on your screen, but you just got to go down to the bottom and hit paste.
Okay, and press calculate.
Yeah, calculate. And then you should see, do you see X bar equals 2.8?
X bar equals 2.8. Yes.
Oh, good. We're on the same page then. So I'm going to snip in some more stuff here and we'll talk about how to do the rest of it.
Okay.
All right, so I'm going to go back to the other screen here. I know it's a little bit of back and forth here, but all right, let me okay, yeah, let's see here. Yeah. Okay. So X bar is the mean. The mean or the average is X bar. Okay, you have to know that. All right. The
Okay.
median, which is 2.8, the median is the MED. Do you see that? Does yours show the median as 3?
Yeah.
Okay, good. All right. Now, the mode, the mode it does not give you. The calculator does not give you the mode. You have to do that by hand.
Hmm.
You don't like that?
Do that by hand.
Yeah, it means you have to figure it out. The calculator will not tell you the mode.
Okay, that's gonna be harder.
Well, we're gonna do
Mm.
and then the range, you have to kind of do by hand. You have to take the max and subtract the min. So you have to make that a formula.
Okay.
So that's
So I
10
so I have to write down
minus,
2.8.
sure, if
That's
you are
that's
turning this in. Yeah,
okay.
you're turning this in?
Tomorrow during
Okay.
class. Okay, well, so so it's optional to write that down in the paper?
Sarah, I don't know if you're turning this in or not. It's if you are, then you need to write it down.
Yeah, I have
So yeah, it sounds like you do need to.
okay, got it. Yeah.
All right. So the range is the max minus the min, 10 minus 0. Do you have that down?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay. So to do the mode, you're looking for the most frequently occurring X value. All right, actually, I'm
Okay.
gonna look here and see if there's one that can, if it can do it. No, it doesn't stat. Okay, let me see if I can do it under stat plot, because you do need to do a graph anyway. Nope. Uh, there's kind of a way to do it. Um, I don't know if that'll be helpful. Okay, when you look at this data here, which one occurs most frequently? What do you see the most
Yeah, you have
of?
to do it in order.
You can put them in order. Yeah, that would be good to do. Do you want to do that for us? Put this data set in order?
Yeah, yeah.
Okay.
But it's I can write down 000 like that.
Yeah, whatever you want to do to put it in order. Like the first number. Well, let me show you how I do it. I think this could be useful for you to see. Okay, so maybe put a 3 here, a 0 here, and you start crossing them off. One, then a 2, there's another 3, there's another 1, there's a
I know
4.
that. I know what to do. Let me just write it down. Okay, wrote it down.
You got it down?
Mhm.
Okay, which number occurs most frequently? So basically, Cyrus, you're trying to figure out how many, like 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 10. What's the frequency? How many zeros do you see?
There's 2 zeros, 2 1s, 3 2s,
Okay,
5 3s, 1 4, 1 5, and 1 10.
so this one is the most common.
Yeah.
So 3 is your mode.
Mhm.
Okay, any questions on that before we move into number 3?
I'm just writing it down.
Okay, let me know when you get it all down. Then we'll move on to the next question.
Yeah, I'm also gonna write down the graph. Like not the graph, but the line. Like
Okay, yeah,
so
we do need to do a line graph. So that's pretty easy to do now that we've got this. We can say 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. And you
can't
just
do
put dots or you can
yeah,
use
yeah, yeah. And
X's.
also you need to do the range too.
It's up to you. You don't necessarily need that for this because you're just counting. Um, but something like that will definitely work.
All right, got it down.
Okay, so three is like a rinse and repeat. We're gonna do the same thing for this one. Um, why don't we put the numbers in order first?
Yeah.
Well, actually, that's up to you. Do you want to go to the
Well,
calculator first?
the reason why I erased that is because I think that it's not going to be right, I would say.
Okay. Well, it looked pretty good. There's a
Yeah, but
there's a
it's just going to get
550,
confusing. That's why I just want to see if you can help me.
and then the next one is 650. Yeah, 650. There's two 750s. There's three 750s. There's a 700 I missed, so we'll just slide these to the right. And then there's an 850 and a 925. Okay, so which number, let's do the mode first this time. Which number occurs most frequently?
Which number occurs more frequently?
Most frequently,
Well,
yeah.
okay.
And you got to do just like you were doing, like how many 500s are there? How many 550s are there? How many 650s are there? So you could make a table, and maybe that is the right way to do this for you. 500, 550, 650, 700, 750, 850, 925. So how many 500s do you see, Sarish?
There's two 500s.
I see more than two. You missed one while you were, I so like what you probably didn't notice it, but I cross them off as I
Three
put a,
500s.
okay. And actually I missed one. There's a 900 here. Yes, there are three of them. How many 550s do you see?
How many 550s I see? You
Yeah,
see?
yeah.
Two 550s.
Okay. How many 650s?
How many 650s? One 650.
Okay. 700,
One
about 750.
750. Three.
How many 850s?
One 900 one and 925 one.
Okay, so which occurs most frequently?
Both 500 and 750.
Yes, so there can be more than one mode. Okay.
Okay. Let me write it down.
All right, I'll be right back with you then.
Okay.
Okay, Sourish, let me know when you get this down.
Getting that down.
Okay.
Okay, got it down.
Okay, so the next thing is we're going to put this data into the calculator to get the rest of this.
Okay,
It's really just a better way to do it. So I'm going to go ahead and share my calculator. All right, so again, to put this into your calculator, you don't want to see any of that. Okay, go to Stat, Edit, and you have your list of data. Okay, let me know when you're seeing well, let me know when you're up to this part.
okay.
This is okay.
All
Do you
right,
have
so
do you have do you have L1 up on your screen?
yeah, I have L1.
Okay, so again, when you go up to L1, if your cursor, say my cursor's on L1 there, if I hit clear and then enter,
I know, I got it.
all right, so go ahead and put the data in. It's very important that you enter the data correctly. Most of the mistakes are made by not entering the data correctly.
Okay, okay, got it down.
Okay, so you got that in your calculator. Go ahead and quit. You hit second and then quit to quit out of that.
Second
And then
and quit, right?
quit, which is above mode. Yeah, it's kind of like the home button. And then you hit stat, calc, one variable stats.
Stats, one variable stats, okay.
Go ahead and calculate that and let me know if your average is the same as mine.
Yeah, yeah, it's the same.
Excellent. Okay. So I'm just going to grab a couple of snips and then we can talk about what to do. So we have that. So I'm snipping that in. Go down. Okay. I'm going to go back to my other screen. All right. So can you tell me the average? What
The
is the
average,
average? Yeah.
well, hmm
What is
the
the
average,
average?
the average is 13.
No,
You're talking like the average between what is the medium?
no, that's not what I'm asking for, Sarge. Did you write any notes down for the first one?
Yeah, I wrote the notes down.
Okay, well, what did I write here? What did I write here for the notes? Which
Mean
one is
average to x equals 2.8.
no, X with a bar above it? You have to, like, it's the calculator doesn't tell you it's the average. It tells you X bar. You have to know that that's the average. Did you write this down in your notes?
Yes.
Okay, then why aren't you telling me that? What is the average for this data set?
682.6.
It rounds up to 0.7.
Yeah, okay.
Now it is in dollars, so we maybe want to go to two decimal places, 6.9. Yeah, I don't know. It depends on what your teacher wants. Okay, the next one is the median. What is the median price?
Median. Median price. 700.
It is 700. Good.
$700. Oh, it's because it's prices. That's why prices are for money.
Right. What's the formula for range that we talked about?
The range, with the range where you add
Nope. What is the format? What is the formula for range?
dividing.
No, did you write this? You didn't write this down, Sarah. It should be in your notes from problem two. You said you were writing things down.
Yeah.
Okay, well, what is the formula for range?
All right. Let me check my notes.
Let me check and see if it's on the whiteboard picture.
Range x equals mx minus min x.
No, I mean that you're if you don't know what I'm saying, you should go ahead and read what's on the board. You've got a picture from the board, lower right corner, it says the range is, or the range of a set is,
Okay. Let me get my okay. I have the tape. I have it in my phone. I'll see it.
okay.
It said the difference between the largest and smallest data values. The range is 30.
Yeah, for that data set. Now, what did I write up here in the previous problem? Range is what? What is, and if you can't read my writing, say, hey, Matthew, I can't read your writing.
Range equals range equals max minus min. Maximum
Okay.
minus min.
Yes, max minus min. Okay, so what is the maximum value? What is the minimum value?
The max value and what's the minimum value? The max is 700 and the minimum
No,
is
no, it is not. Try again. What is the max?
925. The min is 500.
Okay, what is 925 minus 500?
925 minus 500. Okay.
Yeah,
425.
very good. Okay, we got one more problem left.
Yeah, but first of all, let me write these down. Okay, wrote it down.
Okay, so what is the next problem asking you to do?
the next problem that's asking me to do. All
Yes,
right,
what's the next
next
problem?
problem
On your assignment.
is whether Nathan used a the rain gauge to track the monthly amounts of rain that fell near his house during the past year. The results are shown in the table.
Okay. So let's have you first put the data set in order.
Okay, I'll use my graphic calculator.
Okay. I'll be right back with you.
Okay.
All right, Sourish. What did you put the data in order?
Yeah. First of all, I did put the numbers and the data in my list, and then I'm putting them in order. I'm gonna be putting them in
Okay.
order in the paper, writing it down in my paper. Okay, wrote it down.
Okay, what did you get for the mean, the median, and the mode? Or the mode? Let's do the mode first.
Just okay.
Which is the most frequently occurring data value?
Yeah, the median, the median is 3.25.
Uh, okay, yeah, I agree. What about the range?
Range,
Yeah, the max minus the min.
max minus a min. All right. Well, but first, let me just put down the mode first.
Okay, down the mode.
Uh-huh.
Mode should be 3.
Okay. It's the range is 3.
It is 3. 5 minus 2, which equals 3.
Mhm. That's right.
Okay, any other questions or concerns?
Yeah, but hold on. I need to write down the line graph.
Oh yeah, we didn't do that for the last one either, so you'll need a line graph for that. 2, 3, 4, 5. All right, Cyrus, did you get this down?
Getting it down.
Okay.
Instead of line graphs, Matthew, I'll just only put just only the numbers for the
Yeah, that's fine.
yeah, just only put
That's
numbers.
totally fine. So,
Yeah. Around the order.
okay, we're gonna go ahead and stop here for today, Cyrus.
Mm-hmm. Yep.